to go ahead and jump into this eye look, and I'm going to be using my Nubian II palette by Juvias Place. And these are the colors on the inside. Very, very beautiful. One of my favorite palettes. I'm going to be starting with a color called Jezebel and going from my inner corner and working that color into my crease as well. Next, I'm going to be using the color called Morocco, and I'm going to be blending out the edges of that color Jezebel. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. Now this process takes me a little while. I've seen people cut their crease within seconds, but I like to use short, light strokes to get my desired eye shape. So it usually takes me a couple minutes to do each eye and to make sure that they match as much as possible, to make sure that they at least look like sisters and not, distant cousins. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. I'm so corny, sorry. I'm going to go ahead and go back into that color Jezebel and kind of blend out the edges a little bit, not too much, just a little bit to bring color back in my outer corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up this color called Zuri, and I'm going to apply that color on my lid. Again, you want to go into that color Jezebel just to kind of make sure everything is blended out and looking seamless and not harsh looking on the eye. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. liner. This liner is really, really good and it's super inexpensive, you guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a little wing. So after I have lined my eyes and completed my wing, I went ahead and popped on some lashes, and they're by Salon Perfect Fully Stacked Extra Volume Lashes, and they are so pretty. I love those lashes. And I'm also going to be using my Holy Grail foundation, which is my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I am in the color Deep Cool. I know you guys have heard me say before how my skin is so oily, and this foundation works really, really well on my skin. So I love it. I highly recommend it. And then I'm going to be using my Tarte Concealer, Double Duty Beauty Concealer, and I am in the color Deep. So I'm going to just take a sponge, a damp sponge, and blend that concealer out. And as you can see, it just blends out so beautifully. I love this concealer. To set my concealed areas, I'm going to be using my black Opal Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in the color Dark. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and brush all that powder away. I don't really bake. Like, I just leave it on for 30 seconds and that's it. Then I just brush it off. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the color Medium to Dark. And I'm going to be dipping my brush into those two colors that I just showed you and go ahead and lightly contour my face. To set my entire face, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. And for blush, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Berry. And then for setting spray, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter. This is such a great setting spray, you guys. It is so good, especially if you have oily skin. And then for highlight, I'm going to be using the Nubian by Juvias. And this is in the color Nefertiti. And look how pigmented that highlighter is. It is so pretty. I love it. Love this highlighter. So a new thing that I've been doing with my highlight is taking just a smidge on my brush and kind of dusting that across my forehead and right above my brow bone, and I just think it looks so pretty and glowy, just perfect for spring. And then I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with just a black liner by CoverGirl. And then I'm going to take Jezebel again and go in my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in this beautiful blue color called Cleopatra. And I really think adding that bold color on my lower lash line just kind of made this look stand out and made it different. So I just love that I kind of took that risk, because I usually stick with neutral colors, but this was super fun to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara, and this is another mascara from CoverGirl. Next, I'm going to take that color Sheba, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and also put a little bit in my inner tear duct. For lips, I'm going to be using my NYX liner in the color dark brown, and then I'm going to go in with my NYX lip lingerie in the color Satin Ribbon, and on top of that, I'm going to be using my MAC lipstick in the color Sweetie. Alright, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Several of you had asked me to recreate it after posting it on my Facebook and Instagram. So I was so flattered, and I'm glad that you guys like this look. This is probably one of my favorite ones that I've done so far. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.